Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce this Brazilian Portuguese word liquidificador. The correct pronunciation is liquidificador. Once again, liquidificador. However, this can vary by region. For example, people in Rio might say liquidificador, where liqui becomes liqui and the R sound at the end is almost silent. There are also other variations like liquidificador, depending on the speaker's region or accent. But the most important thing is this: the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand, so don't be afraid, choose whatever is easiest for you. Okay, so one more time, liquidificador. You got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.